little more on bile, and this part really matters. Bile is one of the body's main ways of eliminating waste. Things like the bad cholesterol, bilirubin, and most toxins or biotoxins. Here's the tricky part. About 25% of people, those with a certain HLA-DR genetics, don't detox properly. In these people, toxins bind to bile, but the body doesn't release that bile. Instead, it gets reabsorbed back into circulation through the small intestines and the liver, looping over and over. The problem is that all those biotoxins, the excrements, the mold, the viruses, the bacteria, they accumulate on the bile, they attach, and they never fully leave the body. That's where liver flushing and coffee enemas come in for those that have a hard time detoxing. Liver flushing eliminates a large volume of bile in one night, unloading the biotoxins that are attached. Coffee enemas move a smaller amount of bile out at a time. Together, these methods help circumvent enterohepatic recirculation. Now, just to be clear, enterohepatic recirculation itself is not bad. It's the body's way of conserving bile, which is something we really need. But for people who struggle with detox, it backfires. To recap, liver flushing empties bile all at once so the body can make fresh, healthy bile. Coffee enemas create smaller bile releases. If you want to go deeper into this, Chapter 3 of Toxic by Dr. Neil Nathan is a great reference. But what I really want to drive home here is liver flushing and coffee enemas are incredibly effective tools for removing mold, one of our silent killers.